Alright, got another lock for you. This is a Dudley combination padlock. It says it's probably from the between the 20s and 50s. I'm leaning more towards the 40s or 50s, but as you can see, it's just got a little pointer there. It isn't like your normal one. And this came from the Lansing Public Schools. So this is probably for somebody's school locker at the Lansing Public Schools. This is an all brass one. Yeah, pretty cool. Dudley is a part of Chicago Lock Company, apparently, from what I've gathered, and they're not around anymore, but this is pretty cool. Alrighty, see you guys later.